Wouldn't you like to see something strange? Waiting there in the dark of night, someone somewhere could give you a fright. It's Halloween! My favorite time of year, and all my spooky friends are here. So watch as I cast my magic spell and see them bid their freedom farewell.
Hello everyone! Are you all enjoying Halloween this year? What's that? I can't hear you! Brilliant! That's what I like to hear! We've been having such a fun Halloween this year, despite all of Poison Ivy's attempts to take over the theme park. It's been especially good seeing my not-so-spooky friend Godfrey Ghost. Don't worry everyone, he is a friendly ghost. It's open! Come in! Hi there, Gully! Hello, everyone! Oh, Godfrey! How did you knock on the door? You're a ghost! You normally just walk through the walls!
Well, Gully, as you know, I am trying to make Halloween not so scary this year, and seeing as there are so many people here who are not used to me walking through the walls, I thought it would be more friendly to knock!
Oh, Godfrey, you really are a friendly ghost!
Oh dear, Godfrey, you are aware you are the worst ghost ever.
Oh, Poison Ivy, you're such a meanie! Godfrey is the best and friendliest ghost I've ever met!
You are so naive, Gully. There is no such thing as a friendly ghost. I'll show you. Godfrey used to be my top haunting ghost before he met you. I am here to make him scary again.
Oh no, please don't, Poison Ivy! I much prefer being a friendly ghost!
Silence! Now off with you, Mouse, or I'll send my pet cat to deal with you. Now, since you boys and girls won't help me much, I'll have to cast a spell to turn Godfrey back into the phantom he once was. I call upon Jupiter, Venus, and Mars to send me a host of dazzling stars. Using the power of thee, I can change Godfrey into a spooky phantom commanded by me. And though he may put up a fight, return to him his powers of fright. I cast this spell with all of my might to help me reclaim this Halloween night! I put a spell on you, and now you're gone.
Poison ivy has made Godfrey Ghost scary again. But don't worry, I think I have a plan. You see, I've spent the last week learning how to be a ghostbuster. I'm going to use my new ghost trap to temporarily capture Godfrey until I can find a way to reverse Poison Ivy's spell. That way, he won't be able to scare anyone. Now, how does this trap work again? Well, that didn't go to plan, did it, boys and girls? I think I've broken the ghost trap. Oh, not to worry, though. I have a backup plan. I know just a person to help us. It's Scorch, the Firework Fairy. She'll know what to do. So, come on, boys and girls. Help me call for Scorch. After 3, shout, "We want Scorch." Ready? 1, 2, 3. We want Scorch. We want Scorch. We want Scorch.
Is there a problem?
Yes, there is, Scorch. Poison Ivy has put a spell on Godfrey, our friendly ghost. We need to reverse the spell and stop Poison Ivy from taking over the park. But I don't know where they are.
Don't worry, Gully. We won't need to find them, as they are going to come to us. And when they do come, it will be easy to reverse the spell, as my magic is much stronger than Poison Ivy's magic. You think your magic is stronger than mine? We'll see about that. How's this for starters? That was pathetic. I'll show you some real magic. You call that real magic? You have no idea. Bow down to my power. I'll never bow down to you. I've had enough of this nonsense. Let's finish this. Stop. But you must reverse your spell and make Godfrey a friendly ghost again. If you don't, I will strip you of all your magical powers. Okay, I will reverse the spell. I call upon Jupiter, Venus, and Mars to reverse the spell and remove all scars. Using your power, I will again change Godfrey back to a friendly phantom for all to see. There, I have reversed the spell. Happy now?
Yes, we are. Oh, Godfrey, it's so good to have you back.
Thank you, Gully and Scorch, for helping to reverse the spell. I feel so much better now. I much prefer being a friendly ghost.
Oh, well done, Scorch. You have saved Halloween. Oh, I just wish that you could stop Poison Ivy from being horrid all the time.
I'm sorry, Gully. Not even my magic is strong enough to do that.
She may have gone for now, but keep your eye out for her in the future. Something tells me we've not seen the last of Poison Ivy.
Oh, let's forget about her for now. As we are all friends again, I think we should celebrate with a dance to a Halloween favourite.
Everyone, I have one last job before I must go. To conclude our celebrations, I need to cast one final spell. By the fairies' light on this special night, I call for the colours to make it bright. My magic wand I use to bind the darkness so it's left behind. Now boys and girls, I ask of thee to shout the magic count with me.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire!